Welcome to our channel Sky Dominator. In the modern battle space of 2026, air superiority is no longer decided by speed alone, nor by altitude, nor even by raw firepower. It is decided by a complex fusion of stealth, sensors, pilot situational awareness, network dominance, electronic warfare, and the ability to strike first without ever being seen. The skies have become an invisible battlefield, where the aircraft that controls information controls the fight. As global powers race to dominate this domain, only a handful of fighter jets truly define air superiority in 2026, and their ranking is shaped not by marketing hype, but by real-world capability, operational maturity, and combat logic. At the top of the list stands the F-22 Raptor, still unmatched in the pure art of air dominance. Even decades after its first flight, the F-22 remains the most lethal air-to-air fighter ever built. What makes the Raptor extraordinary is not one single feature, but the seamless integration of stealth, supercruise, sensor fusion, and extreme agility. Its radar cross-section is so small that enemy radars often detect it only when it is already within missile range, if they detect it at all. Unlike most fighters, the F-22 can cruise at supersonic speeds without afterburners, allowing it to enter and exit contested airspace rapidly while maintaining low infrared signatures. In close combat, the Raptor's thrust vectoring engines give it unmatched maneuverability. It can point its nose independently of its flight path, allowing it to fire missiles at extreme angles that most fighters cannot even track. But modern air superiority rarely devolves into dogfights. The F-22's true power lies in its ability to see the enemy first, shoot first, and disengage before the opponent ever realizes what happened. It's an APG-77 AESA radar, combined with passive sensors and data fusion, creates a real-time three-dimensional picture of the battle space that borders on omniscience. In 2026, with upgraded avionics, improved electronic warfare suites, and integration into joint command networks, the F-22 remains the gold standard of air superiority, even in an era crowded with fifth-generation fighters. Following closely is the F-35 Lightning II, an aircraft that redefined what air superiority means in the modern age. While it is often misunderstood as a simple multi-role fighter, the F-35's true strength lies in information dominance. Unlike traditional fighters that rely on pilot interpretation, the F-35 acts as a flying sensor node, collecting, processing, and distributing battlefield data in real time. Its distributed aperture system provides full spherical awareness, allowing the pilot to see threats in every direction, even through the aircraft itself. In air-to-air combat, the F-35 may not match the raw kinematic performance of the F-22, but it compensates with superior situational awareness and stealth optimized across multiple spectrums. Its radar, infrared sensors, and electronic support measures allow it to detect adversaries long before being detected. The F-35 often functions as a silent battlefield orchestrator, guiding missiles fired by other aircraft, ships, or ground systems while remaining hidden. In coalition warfare, its ability to integrate allied forces into a unified combat network gives it a decisive edge. By 2026, software upgrades and enhanced weapons integration have further refined its air combat capabilities, making it one of the most dangerous opponents any pilot could face. Third on the list is the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's flagship fifth-generation fighter and a symbol of Beijing's ambitions in air dominance. The J-20 has evolved significantly since its early iterations, transitioning from a controversial design to a mature platform optimized for long-range interception and air denial. Its large airframe allows it to carry substantial internal fuel and long-range air-to-air missiles, giving it extended reach over vast regions such as the Pacific. The J-20 stealth profile is optimized for frontal engagements, allowing it to approach enemy formations head-on with reduced radar visibility. Paired with advanced AESA radar and long-range PL-15 missiles, the J-20 is designed to strike high-value airborne assets such as tankers, AWACS aircraft, and fighters operating at extended distances. While questions remain about its close-in maneuverability compared to Western fighters, the J-20's doctrine emphasizes beyond visual range combat, where information, range, and first-shot capability dominate. In 2026, improved engines and avionics have narrowed performance gaps, making the J-20 a serious air superiority contender rather than a theoretical threat. In fourth position stands the Su-57 Felon, Russia's answer to fifth-generation air combat. The Su-57 takes a different approach to air superiority, blending stealth with extreme agility and raw aerodynamic performance. Unlike Western stealth fighters that prioritize radar invisibility above all else, the Su-57 balances reduced observability with powerful engines, advanced kinematics, and a wide array of sensors. Its design philosophy reflects Russian air combat doctrine, which values flexibility and dogfighting capability alongside long-range missile engagements. The Su-57's thrust vectoring engines allow breathtaking maneuverability, enabling it to perform extreme post-stall maneuvers. Its sensor suite combines radar, infrared search and track systems, and electronic warfare components to track multiple targets simultaneously. While its stealth characteristics may not match those of the F-22 or F-35, the Su-57 compensates with speed, altitude performance, and missile variety. In 2026, with limited but growing operational deployment, the Su-57 remains a formidable but uneven platform, capable of dominance in certain scenarios while still facing production and integration challenges. Rounding out the top 5 is the F-15X Eagle II, a modern evolution of a legendary air superiority fighter. While not a stealth aircraft, the F-15X leverages brute force, advanced sensors, and unmatched weapons payload to remain relevant in a fifth-generation battle space. Its powerful radar, electronic warfare systems, and ability to carry a massive number of air-to-air missiles make it a lethal missile truck when paired with stealth fighters acting as forward sensors. The F-15X excels in high-altitude, long-range engagements, using its speed and radar reach to dominate airspace when stealth is less critical or when supported by electronic warfare assets. In modern combat, it often operates as part of a team, launching weapons based on targeting data provided by stealth platforms. This cooperative approach allows the F-15X to project overwhelming firepower while minimizing its vulnerabilities. In 2026, it remains one of the most capable non-stealth air superiority fighters ever built, proving that evolution can rival revolution when executed correctly. Together, these 5 aircraft define air superiority in 2026 not through isolated performance metrics, but through how they shape the battle space. Air combat is no longer a duel between pilots, but a contest of systems, networks, and information. The fighter that dominates the skies is the one that controls what the enemy sees, hears, and believes.